Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook clam chowder. First, chop 4 strips of thick-cut bacon into small pieces and cook them in a large pot until crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving about 2 tablespoons of fat in the pot. Then, dice 1 large onion, 2 celery stalks, and 3 medium potatoes into 1/2-inch cubes, getting them ready for the next step. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient cooking process for your delicious chowder. After removing the crispy bacon, use the reserved fat to sauté the diced onions and celery until soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the diced potatoes to the pot and cook for another 5 minutes, stirring them occasionally. Then, melt in 4 tablespoons of butter, followed by 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir this mixture constantly for 2 minutes to create a smooth, thick roux, forming the essential flavor base. Now, gradually whisk 3 cups of clam juice or chicken broth into your roux until smooth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken slightly over about 2 minutes. Next, pour in 2 cups of half and half or whole milk, stirring everything together completely. Finally, add the 2 pounds of chopped clams, including their liquid, to the pot. Be careful not to let the chowder come to a rolling boil after adding the dairy. Reduce the heat to low and let your chowder gently simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the potatoes to become perfectly tender. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking at the bottom of the pot. Taste and season your chowder with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. If you like it thicker, a quick cornstarch slurry can achieve that perfect consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.